Hi guys, Aspen here from Drone in Nature. I'm out hiking today. I'm on Brenneklubben. It's a really nice place to hike. I'm planning to fly a little bit, just gonna relax a little bit now and drink a cup of coffee. And that's always nice to do when you're out hiking. Sorry for the airplane. So I'm gonna drink a cup of coffee. That's the best you can do when you're out hiking. The weather is really beautiful. It's late in the evening in Norway now. The sun is not down yet, but it's getting low on the sky, so it's the lighting isn't the best right now, but hopefully we can get a nice flight and enjoy this beautiful day. It's gonna rain soon. Next week it's gonna be even worse, and the temperature is going down. It's not warm today, it's 10 or 11 degrees. I'm recording this on the Rode Wireless Go. I have the transmitter, I think it's what it's called, on my jacket. I don't have a cold shoe for my Sony FDR, so I'm only using the internal recorder, so hopefully the audio is good. I think it's pretty good. It's really nice to be alone in nature.
Knowing your body feels so tired to get out of bed. You put your heart on a letter to chase it away. Got sad and it's all because of you. Hey, what's gonna give you more time forever? Know what they say, only time will tell. You know what they say, it never really can.
Okay guys, we're heading back. Been out with a short flight with my Mini 2. It's pretty low light outside now, so not the best lighting condition to fly. And with the small sensor on the Mini 2, it's not the best drone to fly with when the lighting isn't this great. Just gonna see if I haven't forgotten something here. No, nothing. I'm recording on the Rode Wireless Go with external mic. This is a really nice view. This is about a half-hour hike to this place, Brenneklubben. You can see into Bergen, that direction, and on that side, that's Sotra Island, and Askøy where I'm standing. This is an island too. We're gonna head back. I'm recording with my Sony FDR, and sorry if the image is a little bit shaky. I'm trying my best to keep it as steady as I can. The Sony FDR is a pretty good camera to record with, but I see in some conditions the image is a little bit shaky, but of course this is to walk on trails. It's pretty uneven ground, so it's a little bit difficult to keep it steady. It's optical stabilization. That means that the sensor is moving around inside with Osmo Action, and the GoPro you have electronic stabilization. That's a little bit better in some condition, but in some condition I think the electronic stabilization looks fake. So I like the image quality from the Sony FDR. I'm filming in 1080p 60 frames, so yeah, it's nice. I was hoping to see some snakes today. I saw one yesterday, so watch that video. It was pretty fun to spot. This is the season for what we call in Norway is hoggorm. That's a snake we have in Norway. It can bite, and it's a poisonous snake. So if you get bitten, you don't die of it, but you can get a reaction, of course. So I'm heading back to get my girls from football training. So down there my girls are playing football. I have one girl, she's 12 years old, and one that are 14. And I have one grown up from an earlier relationship. She's 26. So I'm gonna head back to pick them up. They are soon finished at football training. And it's great that Dad can go out and hike when they are at football training. That's what we like. And they play football, I think it's 5 times a week, so it's pretty serious. You can hear the bird noise. I love that sound. Birds singing. Let's see, down here we can see them playing. Now, I think I have to head back, so I'll get there when they are finished. Oh, it's getting colder and colder now. We have some beautiful days lately, but the weather's gonna turn now. It's gonna be colder and probably some rain. That's typical for this season in Norway. It's lovely to be outside. Pretty dry here, not much water. It haven't been raining for a week in Norway, so pretty dried up. But it's starting to get greener and greener. That's great. That's what we love. Can't wait to get on my shorts and t-shirt. It's going to be a few weeks before that. So we're getting closer and closer to 17th of May in Norway. That's our national day. But of course, because of the pandemic, we can't celebrate as we used to do. That's the way it is. Nice view. This is a bird case built by the kindergarten. They're out there all the time and playing in the woods. It's a kindergarten pretty close from here, so must be fun for them to be outside, not stuck inside in classrooms. Everybody should use the nature much more. We're soon back after a nice hike. Didn't see any snakes today, or just a bunch of birds singing, but that's lovely to hear. I'm gonna see down here, I saw a bird's nest, I think. I'm gonna see if it's possible to see it. I don't want to disturb them. It was inside here. We're not gonna get close to it. We don't interrupt nature. We must take care of our nature. I only have sneakers on me, so they can bite through. I'm back. So I really hope you enjoy it, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and of course subscribe to my channel, Drone in Nature. See you next time. Bye bye.